Hello everybody, welcome to my today's video in which I am going to teach about algebra. This is my new chapter in the field of algebra. So let's begin by starting to know about the history of algebra. Okay, so in algebra, uh, what we are going to study is it is all about the math symbols, okay, all the mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating the same symbols. Okay, this is what our basic study of algebra is about, and it is derived from an Arabic word called aljabar, and which means reunion of the broken parts. Okay, this is what the meaning of algebra means. Okay, now the basic part of algebra is called as the elementary algebra. This is the basic one, and the more abstract part is called the abstract algebra or the modern algebra. These are the two forms of algebra which we are going to come across. Now, elementary algebra. Okay, this is used in it can be used in the field of um, mathematics because it's considered generally helpful in that field, and then the science and the engineering. So all these fields it is very helpful, and as well as in the applications of medicines and economics. Okay, this is where the elementary algebra comes into use. Abstract algebra, on the other hand, it will have its applications mostly in the major area of abstract mathematics. Okay, in a particular uh, area of mathematics, and it is highly recommended for professional mathematicians. It will not come in general use when we are dealing with our studies. Okay, so this is the general introduction. Let's move on, and I'm going to tell you some points about elementary algebra. Okay, so this elementary algebra, okay, what is elementary algebra? I have already told you. It differs from the arithmetic in the use of abstractions, such as using letters to stand for numbers that are either unknown or allowed to take any values. For example, consider x plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, now x is the unknown here. Okay, now, or it is allowed to take any values. That is the meaning of this value, this x. Now, by applying additive inverse, okay, we come to know that the value of x is 3. Okay, this is how x can reveal its real value. Next, proceeding, we also, if I have to take another example, consider the Einstein's formula E is equal to mc square. Now, E and m are the variables. Okay, and c is the constant, which is nothing but the speed of light in vacuum. So this value is known, but this and this will differ depending on our environment or the object or any other take values taken into consideration. So algebra gives methods for writing these formulas and solving the equations that are much clearer and easier than the older method of writing everything in words. So this algebra will help us very easily in writing those formulas, rather than the old method of writing like work done or energy is always equal to an mass of the object multiplied by that c and the square of it. Rather than that, because of the use of algebraic expressions everywhere in recent lives or nowadays life, we can see that that is much more useful than the older version of writing everything by words. Okay, So this is my introduction. Next in the video, I'm going to give the basic introduction to coordinate plane and how algebra can be visualized rather than only writing the expressions. Thank you.